North of the Indian border, a secret mystic land, place of peace and happiness, kingdom of Bhutan. And you seem to me way the world should be, happy and free. You seem to me way the world should be, happy and free. I've wandered through your forests, adorned with flowering trees, and over mountain passes where Buddhist flags fly free. Travelling with your kind people, with pony or with yak, Bhutan, you've stolen part of me, I know that I'll be back.